guys, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we're going to be trying something different with a voiceover. Today we're going to be making cranberry muffins. Okay, so wet ingredients: 1 cup milk, half cup Greek yogurt, half cup veggie oil, the juice of a whole orange, 2 eggs, and some orange peel. That's it for the wet ingredients. Let's do the dry. For the dry ingredients, you will need 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and whisk it all together. Pour wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now's a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. It's very important not to overmix the batter. Remember, a lumpy batter makes a fluffy muffin. Add in fresh or frozen cranberries and save some for the top. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This muffin recipe makes approximately 17 to 18 muffins. Be sure to fill the baking cups approximately 3/4 of the way up. If you liked today's video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And be sure to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And one more note, let us know in the comment section below if you enjoyed the voiceover and if we should continue to use it in future videos.